I welcome you to our today's computer class, and today we are going to talk about 5 common computer mistakes to avoid in 2025. So what are these common mistakes? I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin. Number 1 is not backing up data. Not backing up data. Number 2 is using weak passwords. Using weak passwords. Number 3, not updating software. Number 4, clicking on suspicious links. Number 5, not using antivirus software. So these are some of the common mistakes that we should avoid in 2025. So now let me explain them in details. Not backing up data. So I'll begin with number 1. Not backing up data. Your work is being stored in one storage location, is being stored in one area. So once you create second copy, we call it a backup. For example, let's say that your work is stored on a flash diskette or is stored on a hard drive. So if we say that backup your data, we are like saying that create a second copy of that work, or copy your work and transfer it to another storage device, for example, a flash disk or an external hard drive. So that is backing up. So meaning that in this year, you should now start now to always create a second copy of your work or do a backup. So number 2 is using weak passwords. Using weak passwords. So using weak passwords, what does it mean here? For example, let's say that to log into my account, I use the word Martin. So if I'm using the word Martin and each and every person knows that I'm called Martin, so he will easily log into my account and see my details and what. So if let's say that I use Martin star hash 1234, then I say 0ms. So it means that that will be a strong password for someone to hack or to use to log to see or to see my details. So it is always advisable that you should always use strong passwords, not weak passwords. Avoid your work to get stolen by unauthorized users. Then we have another one called not updating software. Not updating software, what do we mean here? Let's say that your work is stored on Windows. Let's say that your work is being run by Windows, but you find that Windows is saying that it is outdated, it needs to be updated. So if you don't update it, it means that it will start to be weak and slow. And if you update it, it will always be faster. For example, even on our Android machines or on other machine devices, they normally tell us to update those softwares. So it means that they want us to be on the current technology and leave the previous technology. So we advise that we should always update our softwares to stay online or to stay up to date. So we are having another point which is saying clicking on suspicious links. Clicking on suspicious links. What do they mean here by clicking on suspicious links? For example, on WhatsApp, there has been some scandals happening now and then, whereby someone's account is being hacked. But to hack that account, it means that someone using your phone or using your account clicked on that link, which made the other people to use your account and do unauthorized work. So clicking on suspicious links can lead you lose your bank account details, even your money. Clicking on those can lead to lose of your details and even to use your names and your details in a wrong way. So my friend, avoid clicking on suspicious links in this 2025. Number 5 is saying that not using antivirus software. Not using antivirus software. What do they mean here? For example, let's say that on your computer they normally say install their antivirus programs, meaning that they are like telling you that install these softwares to prevent viruses from attacking your computer or attacking your information that is on the computer. So if you don't put those antivirus softwares or antivirus programs on your computer, it means that let's say that you have got an external storage device like a flash diskette, a hard drive that is already infected by a virus, it means that if I'm to use it in my computer, that device will lead my computer to have those viruses inserted into my computer. So my friend, always use antivirus softwares. Prevent yourself from those malicious people and having those malicious programs and malicious operations take place on your computer. So my friends, thank you so much for watching. Continue to subscribe, continue to like, continue to share, and always stay with us at Pamos Foundation. I remain as your friend, Ahebwa Martin. Bye. Bye. Bye.